Beautiful bright spring day, and there's a spring in the step of Wolves as well. Well, that's persistence for you, isn't it? He's still going, still going. Afobe opens the scoring in the derby. Well, look at what it means to him. He can't stop scoring. Birmingham looking for the way back quickly, and they've got one. Was that over the line from Rob Kiernan? I think it was. It is 1-0. Henry finds Dicko. Dicko unleashes one. McDonald, still McDonald. Lovely bit of skill from him. Gray. Still Gray. Oh, he's got it back. Gray. Oh, an unbelievable goal from the edge of his own penalty area. Warfare. Oh, he's done brilliantly. He's done really well. McDonald.